Thumbnails are one of the biggest secrets behind YouTube growth. If you look around, you'll notice that some of the largest creators out there are pulling millions of views simply because their thumbnails grab attention instantly. With the right AI tools, you can create these thumbnails easily while keeping your own face consistent every single time. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact step-by-step process. By the end, you'll be able to create professional thumbnails that look like they were made by a top graphic designer. The links to the tools I'll be using are all in the description, so don't worry about missing anything. Alright, let's dive in. The first step is research. Open YouTube and search for thumbnails in your niche. Just pick a thumbnail that grabs your eye. This isn't about copying someone else's work. It's about understanding what makes a good thumbnail stand out. Once you find one that looks powerful, download it from Google. Now, let's take it a step further. Head over to Pinterest. Pinterest is a goldmine because it has thousands of unique, high-quality thumbnails and poster designs that people don't usually see on YouTube. Most of these are in HD, and they give you fresh ideas beyond what everyone else is using. Download a few that you like. This will give you options to experiment with. Now open Gemini. Upload the thumbnail that inspired you, the one you'd like to recreate in your own style. In the search bar, type "remove the character from the thumbnail in 16:9 ratio. Always mention 16:9 because that's the YouTube thumbnail size. Gemini will instantly remove the character from the thumbnail while keeping the background intact. For example, in this Mr. Beast thumbnail, it removed him perfectly without messing up the rest of the design. Next, upload your own photo or any character you want to add. Simply type, "Now add this character to the thumbnail." Gemini doesn't just paste the photo, it actually blends it, adjusts the expressions, and keeps the face consistent. That means if you use your own photo again and again, it won't look odd. It'll stay natural across different thumbnails. Maybe the lighting doesn't match the background, or the shadows look a bit off. No problem. Just type, "Add realistic lighting and sun rays." Instantly, the AI adjusts the colors and brightness so your character looks like they belong in the scene. You can repeat this as many times as you want. Try changing the angle of the light, or ask for a specific mood, like dramatic lighting or a brighter theme. The more specific your prompt, the better the result. Let's push this further. Upload another thumbnail and repeat the process. Remove the character, then add your own. Step by step, Gemini maintains the quality and keeps everything consistent. Want to highlight certain parts of the image? Just add it in the prompt. Create highlights on the background or make the text glow. Want a different pose? Type, "Change the character pose to pointing," or "crossed arms pose." It will update without losing the original face. Expressions are also easy to control. For example, I asked it to add a shocked expression, and it delivered a natural result that still looked like me. This is where the real power of AI comes in. It's flexible but keeps your branding consistent. You don't need to stop at faces. I even tested it by asking Gemini to place my most expensive phone in my hand. And yes, it added the device perfectly into the image. Think about the possibilities. You get props. And that's how you create professional-looking thumbnails with AI, step by step. With just a bit of practice, you'll be able to produce thumbnails that compete with the biggest creators on the platform. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel. The next videos are going to be even crazier, and I don't want you to miss them. Also, if you're interested in learning how to generate unlimited text-to-video content using AI, click the video on your left. I've made a full guide that will blow your mind. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care and goodbye.